Hey everyone, Alexander over here. I got Nathan Fields over here. We're gonna talk about what, my friend?
The finished septic system over here at 1284 Eddie
Wow,
Dowland.
that was pretty amazing job what these guys did, Donald and Nathan. I'm super impressed. Let me show you what's going on this one. I'm gonna show some videos how was in the past, so you can see apples to apples, the differentiation about when is before and why we needed to do it and what is the results of that. But let me show you what. At the end, we're gonna have basically the septic system. Full disclosure, this gravel right here is not part of the deal, right?
Correct.
It's something extra
Yep.
that the owners decided to go with. As you can see, this is the job finish. Looks like it never happened, quite frankly, Nathan, huh?
Yeah, it looks a lot. It actually looks better than when we started. We got it all finished, landscaped, and this should be a nice yard. Kids can play in, and the family can enjoy. And it's a lot better than when we came in.
Wow, I do remember that was on this part over here. There was the cesspool located, and you find three cesspools,
Three
right?
cesspools, yep.
And that was amazing. And how, look at this. It's pretty nice. It's like it never happens.
Yep.
So
Now
that's the beauty.
The best thing about it is it's very safe now. Before there was a couple of cesspools. One was actually open. It was pretty dangerous. And so now everything's safe and clean.
Wow.
It's going to be really nice when it's done.
That's pretty awesome. So we have the leach field in this area, and this is basically the results. What would you call the
This
septic
is a
system?
septic tank.
Septic tank. And always the distribution box is gonna be always on the ground or something, or?
Yep. Yeah, pretty much always. I mean, every system's a little different, but this is the majority of homeowner systems are going to look like this, where the only access you'll see is the two access into the
covers,
tanks. Yeah, the two
covers.
covers into the safety covers into the septic system, and then on this system we also have a vent over there. You can see the pipe sticking up.
Yeah, the green one.
So that's those are generally the only things you're going to see on a system like
That's
this.
pretty impressed. So making sure that no cars parking on that area and something like that, because it's gonna damage
Yep.
the leach field.
No cars, and you don't want to plant any trees or anything. You want to keep everything from growing towards the system. So you can see along the fence line over there was trees and brush, and so we cleared that right back. That way the system's going to be safe for a long time.
Wow, that was pretty impressed. I am so pumped up with this job what you guys did. Very nice, very clean. It was pretty much full with weed and all that stuff.
Yeah, it kind of looked like all this brush over here,
all the time.
Yep,
That's
all the way over here, and you couldn't walk over here unless you had some really tall boots on, and even then it was pretty challenging.
That was pretty awesome. Well, guys, good job, man.
Thank you.
That was super awesome. Okay, guys, before Nathan Fields, Donald Liaison did a tremendous job over here. If you have any questions regarding about septic, this is the guy. Anyway, all that information is gonna be on the link below. If you wanna reach out to them, all that information is gonna be there as well. All right, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, my friend. Good job.
No problem.
Guys,
Thank you.
see you in the next one. Bye.